Hello everyone, here we are in the area of Clayton and we're about to see a one-bedroom apartment for rent. It is 86 square meters. That's ready? Let's check it out. Over here you have an entrance with big, beautiful garden that leads into this studio apartment. Here it is. It has been recently remodeled and you can see it's pretty modern yet with warm tones. Has a big kitchen. I really love this space because you don't get big kitchens in one studio apartments. And now over here you have a storage area. What you can see, it is a pantry room with lots of shelving. Over here you can have more storage area. I think it's very cute. Beautiful, modern, all appliances. Over here, you have your very convenient laundry section and your bathroom. It's a pretty big bathroom. And like I said, it has been recently remodeled, so it's pretty good, modern, has a fresh look. All right, now let's go into the room. Spacious room, beautiful natural light, lots of storage area, closet. It's great. This apartment is going to be rented for around $700. It is in a great area. It is in Clayton. You have international schools here. You have Ciudad del Saber. You have a diplomatic area, lots of trails. You have universities, and it's a place for people that like to live in nature aside from the busyness of the city. So if you're interested in this one-bedroom apartment, don't hesitate to contact us at My Second Option, and we would love to give you a tour.
And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to our channel, Tropical Capitalist. We'll see you in the next one. At My Second Option, we're constantly looking for the best investment and the right fit for you. We are out here walking the land, going to the properties, meeting with developers, checking permits, and building the connections that matter. We operate in Panama, Paraguay, and El Salvador, 3 countries full of opportunity, each with their own rhythm and potential. In Paraguay, we focus on sovereign living, low-cost land, legal residency, and long-term value for those who want peace and security outside the noise. In El Salvador, we guide you through the frontier of freedom, from ocean viewscapes to off-grid living in a country embracing innovation, Bitcoin, and new beginnings. And here in Panama, we bring you options, from tropical villas to city apartments to turnkey Airbnb setups in a country with strong infrastructure, 0% tax on foreign income, embracing cryptocurrency, technology, global access, and an international way of living. We handle everything: second citizenship, relocations, real estate, construction, remodelations, development, legal and accounting advice, property management, and more. We help you establish your business through our network with the best in-house team of lawyers and accountants. We're hands-on, transparent, and always tailored to your goals. Whether you're relocating, investing, or just building a plan B, we help you do it right and do it smart. We are always seeking for the right investment for you. So don't hesitate to contact us. Our WhatsApp link is in the description. Or scan the QR code at the end of the video to connect with us directly. And make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you on the next one.